Hey everyone! If your car is struggling with hard shifting, slipping gears, or getting stuck in limp mode and you've got a P0878 code, then this video is for you. This trouble code means there's an issue with the transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS-D circuit high input. If ignored, it can lead to major transmission damage and costly repairs. But don't worry, today I'll show you where the sensor is located, the common causes, and how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in. What is DTC-P0878? DTC-P0878 means the Transmission Control Module TCM has detected an abnormally high voltage from the transmission fluid pressure sensor D circuit. This sensor monitors transmission fluid pressure to ensure smooth gear shifts. If the signal is too high, the TCM can't properly control the shifting, leading to erratic gear changes or limp mode activation. Common symptoms of P0878. If your car has this code, you may experience harsh or delayed gear shifts, slipping transmission, vehicle stuck in limp mode, RPM fluctuating unexpectedly. Check engine light on. Sensor and component location, very important. Transmission fluid pressure sensor D, TFPS-D. In most vehicles, the TFPS-D sensor is located inside the transmission, mounted on the valve body, front-wheel drive cars, inside the transmission oil pan, near the shift solenoids. Rear-wheel drive cars, on the side of the transmission housing, close to the hydraulic pressure lines. Transmission control module TCM location, usually found near the battery, inside the engine bay, or under the dashboard. Wiring harness and connectors location, runs along the transmission housing, connecting the TFPS-D sensor to the TCM and ECU. Check your vehicle's repair manual for exact details. What causes P0878? Here are the most common causes. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor D giving a high voltage signal. Wiring issues, short circuits or damaged connectors. Contaminated or incorrect transmission fluid. Faulty transmission control module TCM, internal transmission problems. Clogged valve body or damaged solenoids. How to fix P0878? Step 1. Check transmission fluid level. If it's low, refill. If it's dirty, replace it. Step 2. Inspect the TFPS-D sensor. Use a multimeter to check for the correct voltage and resistance. If it's faulty, replace it. Step 3. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, breaks, or loose connections. Step 4. Remove the transmission pan to access the sensor and valve body if needed. Step 5. Clear the code using an OBD-II scanner and test drive to confirm the fix. Final words. Ignoring P0878 can cause severe transmission issues, so if you experience shifting problems or limp mode, check the sensor, wiring, and fluid condition immediately. For more OBD-II error codes and easy fixes, check out these videos next. P0622, generator field control circuit malfunction. P0623, generator lamp control circuit. This is IG Garage, helping you fix your car like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.